afternoon. We're here today in the Southwest Valley of Las Vegas, 215 and Russell, that's it. Looking at a 2,300 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2017. Right now, list price is $560, down from $575. It's been on the market for 34 days. Coming in, we have a large open floor plan area. We're met with the staircase to our left. Coming over, sneak peek at the living room. And your staircase up. And then a little preview of your loft. And come back down. The ceiling height reaches all the way up to about 30 feet, which gives you decent space to feel like it's an large open home. Downstairs you have your first bedroom and bathroom, perfect for your guest room. And this one has a decent amount of upgrades, an oversized shower downstairs. This is pretty nice, upgraded from just your normal bathtub. Then you have your design all the way around the house. You have 9-foot ceilings. You have large tile granite flooring. This is very nice, keeps it clean. First bedroom downstairs is about 10 by 10. Has very much has a lot of sunlight coming in, but they have very dark window covers to keep it very dark. A lot of cabinet space, very nicely and cleanly kept. And you have a lot of countertop space over that granite counter. Right next to your countertop, you have your coat closet, which could double as storage space and pantry space. Looking around, you have a very large island, a dual sink. And across this way, appliances are fairly new and well kept. It's key. Backsplash is very tasteful. And you have your newer model refrigerator, extra countertop space and cabinet space. And taking a look around from your dining room area to your open layout floor. Coming to the backyard real quick. You have a covered patio and you have an 11-foot wall that provides you privacy and protection. Backyard is a little smaller, but has the flooring already finished, which is pretty nice, and it connects up to your front yard. Added space back here for the pantry and a small little desk cut out for your keys and maybe even your computer. And a pantry that walks in all the way. Okay. Then 2-car garage. It does have a very nice water softener. Standard space. Coming around, let's take a look at the stairs. All right. Stairs, we have carpet flooring, and we are met with a large open loft space. I opened up some of these shutters to show that there is a decent amount of sunlight that comes in. And this one, even though it's a 3-bedroom, this loft is large enough to make good use of it. Over here, we have our second bathroom, full, very spacious, very nice. Then you have the flooring here as well, granite tile flooring. Bedroom number 2. About 10 by 10, maybe 11 by 11 because of the walkway in. And you have a walk-in closet on this side. Okay. And going over, have our laundry, which they took the washer dryer. But again, same flooring, very nice. It's pretty spacious. Right across the laundry, you have your towel closet. And then walking into your master bedroom. Fairly large, listed at 16 by 15. You don't have a back neighbor, which is pretty nice. And you have your air conditioner controller in here. Walking in, you have your large, spacious bathroom, your toilet to the right. Come over, you have your large, oversized, hotel-inspired rainforest shower. Dual sinks and your spacious walk-in closet. The closet's about 5 by 8. And you have your small towel closet there. Okay, listed at $560, it's been on market for 30 days. I do anticipate it going down a little bit. Neighborhood is nice, right off the freeway, the 215, quiet pocket. You have an industrial, a commercial office right behind you. So pretty decent area, about 12 minutes to the airport, about 15 minutes to the strip. Okay, thank you. Hello, hello. Today we're still at Peregrine Point, Russell in the 215, 5900 Wellington Peak. Looking at the same model match of the house before this. Very rare that we get to see 2 model matches. This one has a 4th bedroom. So I wanted to give you guys a comparison of what 3rd bedroom, 4th bedroom difference looks like. So walking in, same story, 2,300 square feet, built in 2017. This one is 4 bedroom with a loft. As we can see, there are subtle differences. You don't have this open space up here, and I will show you the bedroom. So coming in, bedroom downstairs. Nice granite flooring. You have your large oversized shower. Bedroom down, this is with natural sunlight, without the shades, 10 by 10, and it has carpet as flooring. This one you get a nice view outside. And then walking over, the open floor plan. And then you see the different options, different kinds of cabinet. This one is a thinner granite countertop. The other one was quartz. And looking over, the appliances are slightly different. Okay. backyard. Let's take a quick glance at it. You don't have a back neighbor, but you don't have patio built out, and you have less space available. Same 2-car garage. No water softener in this one. And let's go upstairs so we can check out the difference between this house and the last. HOA per month is $65. This isn't bad. First difference starts with hardwood stairs up. And hardwood flooring upstairs. Pretty nice. The size of the loft has not changed. So you do have a large 17 by 15 space. This one has natural sunlight coming in, and you don't have front neighbor, you do have parking spaces. Come over, have your laundry. This one left the dryer, washer and dryer. A master bedroom. Okay. These owners opted for the regular tub and stand-up shower. And coming over, taking a look at countertops, sinks, and your same walk-in closet, 8 by 6. And heading over to bedroom room 3 and 4. So this is the 4th bedroom that we did not see in the other home. This open space that we saw is covered in another 10 by 10 bedroom. The walk-in closet, about 3 by 4, 4 by 4. And then your upstairs bathroom, full bath. And your bedroom number 4. So it does add a little bit of a different feel. If you were wondering what a 3-bedroom versus 4-bedroom looked like, that area right there was the only difference. So this video will be a side-by-side comparison. Thank you.